Stop scrolling. You need to see this. They look old, scratched, and even dirty, but some Lincoln Wheat pennies pulled from pocket change have sold for huge money at auction. Many collectors have discovered valuable coins hiding in everyday jars and forgotten collections. The truth is, a penny doesn't need to look perfect to be valuable. The right year, mint mark, or rare minting mistake can turn an ordinary-looking coin into a serious treasure. In this video, we're revealing the top 3 old, dirty Lincoln Wheat pennies worth big money, along with their history, rarity, and current market value. Let's get started. First up, the legendary Lincoln Wheat penny from the year 1950, struck without a mint mark and preserved in authentic dirty circulated condition. This remarkable coin proves that even heavily used pennies can carry extraordinary collector demand and surprising dollar value potential in today's rare coin action market. The 1950 Lincoln Wheat penny was produced during a period of strong economic expansion in the United States following World War II. America was entering a new era of modernization, and coins circulating during this time became silent witnesses to everyday transactions that built the modern economy. This coin was struck at the historic United States Mint facility in Philadelphia, the original mint responsible for producing some of the most iconic coins in American history. Coins without mint marks from Philadelphia carry traditional authenticity highly respected among collectors. The obverse proudly displays President Abraham Lincoln, whose image has become one of the most recognized portraits ever placed on circulating currency. His presence gives the coin lasting emotional and historical significance that continues attracting collectors generation after generation. On the reverse side, the classic wheat ears symbolize prosperity, growth, and national strength. This elegant design helped establish the wheat penny as one of the most beloved coin series ever produced in the United States. Even in dirty circulated condition, the 1950 wheat penny maintains powerful historical character. The natural accumulation of age and circulation marks reflects decades of real-world use, making each surviving coin unique and full of personality. Collectors often appreciate coins with original surfaces because they represent untouched history. The natural darkened and dusty appearance confirms authenticity and long circulation life, qualities valued within the numismatic community. The year 1950 represents an important midpoint in the wheat penny era, making it essential for collectors working toward complete Lincoln cent collections. Over time, countless pennies from this period were lost, melted, or damaged, which has gradually reduced the number of collectible examples available today. As a result, surviving coins, even those in circulated condition, continue gaining attention as historical artifacts with growing scarcity. The absence of a mint mark adds classic Philadelphia identity, making this coin especially appealing for collectors focused on traditional U.S. mint issues. Today's collectors increasingly recognize that condition alone does not define value. Originality, history, and demand also play powerful roles in determining market interest. The rare coin market has seen rising enthusiasm for wheat pennies, particularly those connected to America's post-war economic boom. Auction platforms regularly feature strong participation whenever vintage Lincoln cents appear, demonstrating consistent global demand. Depending on preservation, strike clarity, and collector interest, 1950 Lincoln Wheat pennies can achieve impressive dollar values within specialized markets. Some coins from this era have revealed rare die varieties and striking characteristics, increasing excitement among collectors searching for hidden treasures. Many successful coin discoveries begin with dirty circulated pennies that were once overlooked but later recognized for their rarity. Collectors are encouraged to examine lettering sharpness, wheat ear outlines, and date clarity when evaluating circulated examples. Proper storage after discovery helps protect remaining detail and ensures continued appreciation in value over time. The popularity of copper coin collecting continues expanding internationally, bringing renewed attention to mid-century Lincoln cents. Coins with authentic circulation were often appeal strongly to collectors who value historical storytelling as much as investment potential. The 1950 wheat penny represents everyday American life during a period of growth, innovation, and cultural change. As older copper coins steadily disappear from circulation, surviving examples naturally become more desirable in collector markets. Professional grading services can further enhance confidence and visibility when selling or showcasing collectible pennies. The continued growth of online coin communities ensures lasting demand for classic wheat penny issues like the 1950 Philadelphia Strike. In conclusion, the Lincoln Wheat Penny 1950, without a mint mark in dirty circulated condition, stands as powerful proof that valuable treasures are often hiding in plain sight. With strong collector demand, deep historical roots, increasing rarity, and impressive dollar value potential in today's action-driven rare coin market, this extraordinary penny shows that even the most humble coin can carry millionaire-making possibilities for collectors who recognize its true importance. Next up, the 1947 Lincoln Wheat Penny without a mint mark, a historic coin that continues to surprise collectors around the world with its growing demand, strong auction performance, and the exciting possibility of turning a simple 1-cent coin into a treasure worth serious money in today's competitive rare coin market. The 1947 Lincoln Wheat Penny was produced during a powerful rebuilding period following World War II, when economic optimism and industrial expansion shaped everyday American life, making coins from this era important historical symbols that represent recovery, growth, and national progress. Featuring the timeless portrait of Abraham Lincoln, this coin carries a design that collectors instantly recognize as one of the most iconic images ever placed on circulating currency, connecting history lovers and investors to a legacy that remains respected across generations. This particular penny, struck without a mint mark, was produced at the historic Philadelphia Mint facility, known for producing some of the most important early Lincoln cents that now serve as foundation pieces within advanced coin collections worldwide. Manufactured under the authority of the United States Mint, the 1947 issue reflects exceptional craftsmanship, durable bronze composition, and precise striking techniques that allowed many examples to survive while still maintaining remarkable collectible quality decades later. What truly elevates the appeal of the 1947 Lincoln Wheat Penny is its extra fine condition, where strong details remain clearly visible, showcasing Lincoln's facial features, coat lines, and the beautifully defined wheat stalks that symbolize agricultural strength and prosperity. Coins preserved in extra fine condition create immediate excitement among collectors because they display limited wear while still carrying authentic circulation history, making them highly desirable in today's marketplace. The warm, natural toning often found on these coins enhances their vintage beauty, giving collectors confidence that the surfaces remain original and untouched, a key factor that significantly increases long-term value. Over the decades, many 1947 pennies were heavily used or removed from circulation due to damage, meaning surviving extra-fine examples now represent a shrinking population that continues attracting strong collector competition. Demand for Lincoln Wheat pennies has grown rapidly as global collectors recognize their historical importance, especially coins from the late 1940s that bridge pre-war tradition with modern American coinage development. The wheat reverse design, used from 1909 through 1958, has become one of the most beloved coin styles ever created, and collectors actively pursue well-preserved dates like the 1947 issue to complete valuable date and mint collections. As awareness spreads through online auctions and collector communities, interest in mid-century wheat cents continues rising, transforming once common coins into sought-after assets traded internationally. Market momentum surrounding the 1947 Lincoln Wheat Penny remains extremely positive, with attractive extra-fine examples achieving impressive dollar values depending on eye appeal and surface quality. Collectors understand that coins combining historical importance with excellent preservation often experience steady appreciation, making this penny an exciting long-term addition to investment-focused collections. The millionaire dream connected to coin collecting often begins with discoveries exactly like this one, where a small denomination hides extraordinary potential waiting to be recognized by informed collectors. Unique strike sharpness, balanced lettering, and consistent rim definition make extra-fine examples stand out during professional evaluation, increasing desirability during auctions and private sales. Professional grading services frequently reward well-preserved coins with strong market recognition, helping collectors unlock higher resale opportunities and global buyer interest. Another reason behind the growing popularity of the 1947 no mint mark penny is its accessibility, allowing both beginner and advanced collectors to participate in a market segment showing continuous growth. Experienced collectors often search bankrolls, estate collections, and inherited coin jars specifically hoping to locate wheat cents from this era because of their reliable demand. Proper storage in protective holders ensures that extra fine condition remains stable over time, allowing collectors to preserve both beauty and investment potential for future generations. The excitement surrounding wheat pennies today is fueled by real success stories where overlooked coins later achieved remarkable auction results, encouraging collectors everywhere to re-examine their collections. Each 1947 Lincoln wheat penny carries decades of history, having passed through countless hands before becoming a preserved collectible admired for both artistry and endurance. Strong collector enthusiasm continues pushing the action market forward, reinforcing the reputation of this coin as a dependable and highly demanded classic within the rare coin community. For anyone seeking coins capable of combining affordability, historical meaning, and impressive dollar appreciation potential, the 1947 Lincoln wheat penny, without a mint mark in extra fine condition, stands as an outstanding opportunity. In conclusion, this remarkable coin proves that hidden wealth often exists in the most unexpected places, and the 1947 Lincoln wheat penny represents more than currency. It symbolizes history, opportunity, and the exciting possibility that a single overlooked coin could become the foundation of a truly valuable collection and perhaps even a millionaire-level discovery in the future. Next up, the 1940 Lincoln wheat penny without a mint mark, a coin that continues to capture global attention and inspire collectors who dream of turning a single cent into a life-changing discovery worth thousands, and in exceptional circumstances, even millionaire-level success in today's booming rare coin market. The story of this remarkable coin begins during an important era in American history when the United States was emerging from economic hardship and preparing for rapid industrial growth. And the production of the Lincoln wheat penny represented stability, national pride, and everyday commerce flowing through millions of hands across the country. This historic coin proudly features the portrait of President Abraham Lincoln, whose legacy of unity and leadership made the Lincoln cent one of the most recognizable and beloved coin designs ever created, instantly connecting collectors emotionally to the past while increasing long-term desirability among investors. The 1940 issue without a mint mark was struck at the famous Philadelphia facility, the primary production center responsible for supplying circulating coinage nationwide, making these pennies deeply connected to the heart of American minting tradition and historical craftsmanship. Produced under the authority of the respected United States Mint, this coin reflects remarkable precision for its time, combining durability, artistry, and strong metal composition that allowed many examples to survive decades of circulation while still maintaining collectible beauty. What makes the 1940 Lincoln wheat penny especially exciting today is how easily it blends into everyday collections while secretly holding strong numismatic importance, proving that even coins appearing simple or worn can carry exceptional historical and financial significance. In very good condition, this coin displays smooth yet clearly visible details, including Lincoln's profile and the iconic wheat ears on the reverse, symbols of growth and prosperity that collectors around the world associate with classic American coinage excellence. The warm, aged color often seen on circulated examples adds character rather than weakness, creating an authentic vintage appearance that serious collectors admire because it confirms genuine circulation history and originality. Collectors strongly appreciate coins that show honest use while retaining recognizable design features, and the 1940 no mint mark penny perfectly balances accessibility with rising rarity, making it one of the most actively searched wheat cents today. Over time, countless examples were lost, melted, or damaged, meaning surviving coins with solid detail now attract increasing competition among buyers who understand how demand continues growing year after year. The Lincoln Wheat series itself has achieved legendary status among collectors, and earlier dates like the 1940 issue serve as foundational pieces that complete high-value collections, pushing auction interest higher with each passing decade. Modern collectors recognize that coins from pre-World War II America represent a powerful historical connection, and this emotional value often translates directly into stronger market prices and consistent investment demand. Auction records and private sales reveal that attractive circulated examples can command impressive premiums, especially when surfaces remain natural and free from cleaning, allowing collectors to compete confidently for ownership. As the rare coin market expands globally, collectors from different countries now actively seek classic American cents, turning once common coins into internationally traded collectibles with rising dollar values. Today's action market shows renewed excitement for Lincoln wheat pennies, with collectors realizing that overlooked dates like the 1940 Philadelphia issue continue climbing steadily as awareness spreads through online auctions and collector communities. The millionaire dream connected to coins is built on discovery, patience, and knowledge, and many successful collectors began with coins exactly like this one. Humble pieces that later revealed outstanding worth. Unique die characteristics, strong lettering alignment, and original strike quality all contribute to collector appeal, making well-preserved examples stand out dramatically during grading evaluations. Professional grading recognition further enhances desirability, often multiplying value when a coin demonstrates consistent detail and appealing overall eye presence. One powerful advantage of the 1940 Lincoln wheat penny is its accessibility, allowing new collectors to enter the hobby while still owning a historically respected coin with strong appreciation potential. Experienced numismatists frequently recommend holding early wheat cents long-term because market cycles consistently reward patience as surviving examples become harder to locate. Storage and preservation play an essential role in maximizing value, and collectors who carefully protect their coins often see remarkable improvements in long-term resale opportunities. The excitement surrounding this coin continues growing as social media and YouTube coin communities showcase real discoveries, inspiring thousands of people to recheck old jars, collections, and inherited change. Each surviving 1940 penny tells a silent story of decades spent traveling through shops, wallets, and generations, transforming it into more than currency. It becomes a preserved piece of living history. Positive market momentum keeps demand strong, and collectors increasingly recognize that even very good condition examples represent opportunity rather than limitation, reinforcing the coin's reputation as a smart collectible asset. For collectors seeking coins that combine history, affordability, and powerful appreciation potential, the 1940 Lincoln wheat penny, without a mint mark, stands proudly among the most exciting discoveries still waiting to be recognized. In conclusion, this remarkable coin proves that greatness often hides in plain sight, reminding us that extraordinary wealth and historical treasure can begin with something as small as a single penny, making the 1940 Lincoln wheat cent not just a collectible, but a symbol of opportunity, passion, and the thrilling possibility that your next millionaire discovery could already be in your hands.